Check out this Kia 2020 Telluride EX. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 291 horsepower, 3.8-liter V6 DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, all-wheel drive and audio controls on steering wheel. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.